Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon for 2025. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, these dash cams are packed with features that ensure your safety and peace of mind on the road. Let's jump right in. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. Vantrue N54 Channel Wi-Fi 360-degree Dash Cam. Kicking things off at number 1 is the Vantrue N54 Channel Wi-Fi 360-degree Dash Cam 360-degree Dash Cam. This dash cam takes coverage to the next level, offering a full 360-degree view. It features STARVIS 2 technology for incredible low-light performance and IR night vision. The camera setup records at 2.7K for the front and 1080p for the other 3 channels, ensuring crystal clear footage from all angles. Other standout features include voice control, a built-in GPS for tracking your routes, and a 24-hour buffered parking mode, which captures motion events even when your car is parked. Plus, it supports a massive 512GB memory card. If you're looking for comprehensive coverage, this dash cam is worth considering. Number 2. Vantrue N43 Channel Dash Cam. Coming in at number 2 is another impressive device from Vantrue, the N43 Channel Dash Cam. This camera setup records in 4K for the front camera and 1080p for the rear and interior cameras, ensuring excellent image quality. The N4 is perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants a 3-way view of their vehicle. It also includes IR night vision for superior performance in low-light conditions and a 24-hour parking mode for added security. Although it supports a slightly smaller memory size of 256GB, it's still plenty for everyday use. The build quality and reliability of Vantrue make this a strong contender for the best dash cam. Number 3. PRUVEEO 360-degree 4-channel Dash Cam. At number 3, we have the PRUVEEO 360-degree 4-channel Dash Cam 4-channel Dash Cam. If you're all about getting a complete 360-degree view, this one's for you. It features 4 channels that cover the front, rear, and even left and right sides of your vehicle. What sets this dash cam apart is its built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, which allow you to review footage directly from your smartphone. It also has a 24/7 parking mode for constant monitoring. And here's the kicker. It comes with a free 128GB card, saving you the extra expense. This is a fantastic option for those looking for wide coverage at a competitive price. Number 4. REDTIGER Dash Cam Front and Rear. Number 4 on our list is the REDTIGER Dash Cam, which offers a perfect mix of affordability and performance. This camera records in 4K Ultra HD for the front and 2.5K for the rear, delivering outstanding image clarity. It also includes features like built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, a 3.16-inch IPS screen, and 170-degree wide-angle lenses. The WDR, Wide Dynamic Range, ensures balanced exposure in all lighting conditions, and the included 32GB card gets you started right out of the box. The REDTIGER is a reliable and user-friendly choice for drivers looking to capture high-quality footage. Number 5. Wolfbox G840S 12-inch Mirror Dash Cam. Last but definitely not least, at number 5, we have the Wolfbox G840S Mirror Dash Cam. This dash cam doubles as a 12-inch smart rear-view mirror, making it a sleek and functional addition to any car. It records in 4K resolution for the front and 1080p for the rear, ensuring clear and detailed footage. The night vision and parking assistance features are particularly impressive, making it easier to navigate tight spaces. Plus, it comes with a 32GB card and GPS module included. The Wolfbox is perfect for those who want a multifunctional device that integrates seamlessly into their vehicle. So there you have it, our top 5 dash cams on Amazon for 2025. Whether you prioritize 360-degree coverage, Ultra HD resolution, or smart features like voice control and GPS, there's something on this list for everyone. If you're interested in any of these dash cams, check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.